The original Constitution from 1787 did not specify who is a U.S. citizen. The Constitution did give power to Congress to decide naturalization, but it was silent on birthright citizenship. At the time of our founding, citizenship was handled at the state level because of slavery. And then in 1857, the famous Dred Scott decision, the Supreme Court infamously ruled that no black person, free or slave, is a U.S. citizen, regardless if they're born in the United States or not. And then we got the 13th Amendment, abolishing slavery, and the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which was written to overturn that Dred Scott decision. All persons born in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States. The jurisdiction thereof was designed specifically for children of diplomats, children of people of invading enemy armies, and Native Americans who had their own tribal laws. And then in 1898, the Supreme Court established that U.S. citizenship applies to every person born within the United States of America. The famous case is Wong Kim Ark, a Chinese national, gave birth in the United States, physically gave birth to a baby, took that baby home. That child tried to return as a U.S. citizen. The government stopped that child, but the Supreme Court said that child is a U.S. citizen because that child was physically born in the U.S., despite whether his parents were U.S. citizens themselves or not. And in 1924, Congress granted U.S. citizenship to every Native American born in the U.S. And for the last 200 years, the federal government and every state has recognized every person born in the United States of America to be a U.S. citizen, to get a passport, Social Security, birth certificate, federal benefits, until Donald Trump showed up in 2025 when he decided all by himself that only people born in the United States to U.S. citizens or residents are U.S. citizens. Everybody else isn't. And here we are.